Today I will discuss an example on the topic line integral. This question asks in North Bengal University Honors Exam 2021. Okay. We have to find the work done by the force F is equal to minus yi plus xj plus zk in the moving particle from 000 to 248 along the line segment and along the path r is equal to ti plus t square j plus t cube k. Okay. So pause the video, write the question. So what is the work done? What is the working formula for work done? Work done, that means the line integration over C F dot dr. Okay, so this is the formula for work done. Integration over C F dot dr. Okay, so here, what is force? For this problem, here F is equal to, that is force. Force is given minus yi plus xj plus zk. This is the force. And the particle moves from the point 0, 0, 0 to 248. Okay. Along the line segment and along the path. What is the path here? The path is, that is r. R is ti plus t square j plus t cube k. So this is the position vector. Okay. So along the line segment and along the path r is equal to this. Okay. So we have to calculate work done. So what is the formula? Formula is integration over C F dot dr. But what is the path? The path is r is equal to, what is the path? The path is r is equal to ti plus t square j plus t cube k. Okay. This is the path. Suppose we consider this is the path C. Okay. So C is equal to r is equal to ti plus t square j plus t cube k. এবার দেখো পার্টিকেলটা কোন পয়েন্ট থেকে কোন পয়েন্টে মুভ করছে? The particle moves from the point 00 to 248. ঠিক? So here what is r? R is ti plus t square j plus t cube k. That means what is the position vector? That is ti plus t square j plus t cube. So this can be written in the coordinate form, right? T square t cube. ঠিক? খুব ভালো করে দেখবে. If we put t is equal to 0, if we put t is equal to 0, then what we get? 0, 0, 0. That is this point. If we put t is equal to 0, then you get 0, 0, 0. That means this point. And if we put t is equal to 2, if we put t is equal to 2, that means what we get? 2 plus 2 comma t square 2 cube. What do we get? You get, if we put t is equal to 2, we get 2 square 2 cube. Okay, that means 2, 4, 8. So that is, you get this point. Okay, so t, that means here we integrate t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2. Okay, if we put t is equal to 0, you get this point 0, 0, 0. And if we put t is equal to 2, we get 2, 4, 8. That is this point. The particle moves from 0, 0, 0 to 2, 4, 8. So integration t varies from 0 to 2. Getting my point? Clear? So now we come to our solution. So here this is F, this is R. Okay. So what is R? Actually, R is the position vector. R is xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. So here, just you see, what is R? R is t. Sorry, x is here, x is t, y is t square, z is t cube. Okay. So here x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So what is the formula? So work done So work done. That means so integration over C f dot dr. Okay. So what is f? F is given minus yi plus xj plus zk. F is equal to minus yi plus xj minus yi plus xj plus zk. Okay. This is f. Dr, you get dr is I dx plus j dy plus k dz. So f dot dr. So that means f, what is f? F is minus yi plus xj plus zk dot dr, that is I dx plus j dy plus k dz. That means I dot I is 1. So that is what we get, minus y dx plus j dot g is 1, k dot k is 1. So plus plus x dy plus x dy. Okay. Plus x dy plus z dk. Z dz. So ultimately you get f dot dr is minus y dx plus x dy plus z dz. Okay. I think up to this clear. So you can write here. So that equal to, so what we get? So integration over C f dot dr. So what we get? F dot dr, actually f dot dr is minus y dx plus x dy plus z dz, right? Minus y dx plus x dy plus z dz. ঠিক, রাফলি তোমরা ক্যালকুলেশন করে দেখো, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, so what we get? So that is you get minus y dx plus x dy plus z dz. ঠিক, now what is x? X is t. What is y? Y is t square, z is t cube. So put the values. ठीक, so x, y is equal to t square. So that equal to integration over C minus t square dx. Dx means just x ke derive karo, that is dt plus x dy. X is t, dy, that is y is equal to t square. So dy is 2t dt, 2t dt. ठीक, plus z dz. What is z? Z is t cube dz. So that is 3t square dt. Getting my point? So what we get? So you get minus t square plus 2t square plus 3t to the power 5 dt. So what we get? So you get, so here when you put t varies from, you see that t varies from 0 to 2, 0 to 2. T varies from 0 to 2. If you put t is equal to 0, you get this point. If you put t is equal to 2, you get this point, 248. Okay. So that equal to, so integration, so that equal to integration 0 to 2, 0 to 2 minus t square minus t square plus 2t square plus 3t to the power 5 plus 3t to the power 5 dt. So now integrate this. Okay. So 0 to 2, 2t square minus t square, that is t square plus 3 to the power 5 dt. Now integrate. So that equal to t cube by 3. Okay. So t square ki integration korchi, so t cube by 3. Take plus 3 into 3t to the power 5. So that means 3t to the power 6 by 3. So what is the limit? Limit is 0 to 2. So put the upper limit, that is 2 cubes. So 2 cube, that is 8 by 3. Take, this will be 6. 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 6 divided by 3 into 2, right? 3, that is 2 to the power 6, that means 64. 64 divided by 2. Okay. So if we put lower limit, that is 0, so this will be 0. So ultimately what we get, t by 3 plus 32. Okay. So just now simplify this, so you get 8 plus, okay, so 8 plus 96, so that means 104 divided by 3. So this is the answer. Okay, I think clear. Okay, so pause the video, write the solution. এখানে আমি solution করে দিয়েছি, আমি just বুঝিয়ে দিলাম। ঠিক, so this is the solution actually. Okay, so আমি যেটা ডিসকাস করেছি সেটা এখানে ডিটেইলসে বলা আছে। So pause the video, write the answer. Okay, this is the solution. Already we discussed for this. Let us consider next example. Here we have to calculate the line integration over gamma x cube dx plus 3z y square dy minus x square y dz, where gamma is a straight line segment from 3 to 1 to 0, 0, 0. Okay, so basically we have to construct a equation joining these 2 points. Okay, so what is the point? Here the point is 0, 0, 0 and 3 to 1. Okay, so what is the equation of a straight line? The equation of a straight line is x, suppose this is the point x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2. So x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, take y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1, z1 is 0, divided by z2 minus z1, that is 1 minus 0. Take, okay, so here, so write down the equation of a straight line joining the points 0, 0, 0 and 3 to 1. The equation of straight line joining the points 0, 0, 0 and 3 to 1 are, so x minus 0, x minus 0, this equation x minus 0, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, so 3 minus 0. Okay, take, so that equal to y minus y1, so y1 is 0, divided by y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 0, so that equal to z minus z1, z1 is 0, divided by z2 minus z1, that is 1 minus 0. Okay, so suppose this is t, where t is a parameter. So ultimately what do we get? So therefore you get x is equal to 3t, 3 minus 0, that means 3, so x is equal to 3t, y is equal to 2t, 2 minus 0, that is 2, so y by 2 is equal to 2t, that is y is equal to 2t. Okay, and what is z? Z minus 0 divided by 1, that is z by 1 is equal to t, so that is z is equal to t. Okay, x minus 0 divided by 3 minus 0, that is x by 3, x by 3 is equal to t, so x is equal to 3t, y by 2 is equal to t, that is y is equal to t, z by 1 is equal to t, that is z is equal to t. Okay, so now just see, if we put t is equal to 1, দেখো তুমি পয়েন্টটা পেয়ে যাবে 3, 2 and 1, that is you get this point. Okay, If you put t is equal to 1, that is you get this point. If you put t is equal to 0, you get this point. Okay. Take. So here at, therefore, at the point 0, 0, 0, t is equal to 0, and at the point 3 to 1, so t is equal to 1. Getting my point? So if you put t is equal to 1, you get this point 3 to 1, 3 to 1. If you put t is equal to 0, you get 0, 0, 0. That means this point. So here we have to integrate from 0 to 1. T is equal to 0. Take t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. It should be note that দেখো এখানে বলা আছে 3 to 1, from 3 to 1 to this. That means তুমি কখনোই লোয়ার লিমিট এখানে যদি এই কনসেপ্টটা অ্যাপ্লাই করে দেবো 3 to 1, that means t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 0, right? t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 0 হবে কিন্তু, কারণ t পয়েন্টটা কি, what is t? t is equal to 0, দেখো 3 to 1 to 0, 0, 0, 3 to 1 to 0, 0, 0. That means 3 to 1 পয়েন্টটা কখন পাচ্ছ? t is equal to 1 এর জন্য। এই পয়েন্টটা কখন পাচ্ছ? t is equal to 0 এর জন্য। So that means t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 0. Getting my point? If we put t is equal to 1, you get this point 3 to 1. If we put t is equal to 0, you get this point. So that means t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 0. Take. Okay. So it is a very, very important example. So therefore, so we have to calculate this line integral. Okay. So therefore, integration over gamma x cube dx plus 3z y square dy minus x square y dz. So that equal to, we have to integrate between 3 to 1 to 0, 0, 0. That means t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 0. When t is equal to 1, you get this point 3 to 1. When t is equal to 0, you get this point 0, 0, 0. So t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 0. Okay. So x cube, what is x? X is 3t. So x cube dx. That means just you have to differentiate this. So x is equal to 3t. So dx will be 3 dt plus 3zy square. What is z? Z is t. Y square. That means 2t square. Dy. So y is equal to 2t. So dy is equal to 2 dt. Okay. Minus x square. X square is x is 3t, so 3t square. Y is 2t. Okay. And dz. So z is equal to t, so dz is dt. So ultimately what we get? Integration t is equal to 1 to 0. Take. So this is 81 t cube, 81 t cube, take, dt plus 24 t cube, take, minus 18 t cube into dt. Clear? So 81 plus 24 minus 18. So 81 plus 24 minus 18. So that equal to 87. So 87 t cube. So that equal to integration t is equal to 1 to 0. 87, right? 87 t cube dt. So that is integration. So 87 t cube, that is t to the power 4 by 4. Limit is 1 to 0. Okay. So if we put upper limit, that is t is equal to 0, lower limit, that is minus 1 by 4. So that is minus 87 by 4. This is the answer. Okay. I think clear. So just apply this concept. Okay. So it is a very, very important concept. X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.